Let's get melanated. So, as somebody who uses text and calling, it's very important for me to actually get unlimited calling and unlimited text. Data is definitely a factor to consider, but not really the highest of priorities. My priority is text and calling. You check. Here we've got 5 gigabytes of data, unlimited calling and texting with fair usage. You check. Now you want to register your account, but this part I'm going to just skip over because of the sake of my information now. Pay a 5 rand activation fee if you got an eSIM, or you want to pay other fees for the physical SIM. You check. I chose an eSIM because that's what I need, right? So now I'm going to sign in to make sure the eSIM is activated because it can only be done on the app, right? So yeah, you're going to self-verify, and they're going to ask you for pictures of your ID and a picture of you, but it's all for verification purposes. It's mandatory, so and it wasn't, there was a bit of hiccups for me, but then it got sorted out easily. Once you're done with the RICA, they're going to send you your eSIM. From there, all you have to do is scan the barcode and follow the necessary steps to get your eSIM activated on your device. Don't be alarmed if you see a lot of MTN references, because at the end of the day, they are using MTN infrastructure to provide network. So if you see a lot of MTN references, don't be alarmed. It's still Melon Mobile, you check. So once the plan is done, you will be logged into the app and you will be assigned a new number with all the details of your plan. Now it's in this moment where you want to decide, do you want a new number or you want to use the same number that you've been using, your primary number. And in this instance, I did not want to get a new number, so I decided to keep my old number and port it in here. So if you want to port your number in, you want to scroll down to the SIM section and select keep your number. Here you will be shown your new number, and then you will be prompted to enter your old number that you want to keep. So now that the request is sent, all that's left is to just wait. So about 13 seconds later, I got a confirmation text regarding the port. It just has an OTP that you must confirm to make sure that's you who requested the port, right? So yeah, you're going to receive a confirmation text regarding the port. And then from there isn't much you can do. You just have to wait for Melon systems to continue processing the port. As you can see, I got a notification saying that the port has started, and that everything that's now required is going to be taken. While I was waiting for the port process to complete, I decided to go window shopping for all the prices on this network, and it actually is quite impressive given the fact that we used to pay about $149 for a gigabyte of data, and that's 30 days. But then here at least it's 55 rand. So topping up is not going to be a problem in 30 days, bro. So you don't have to worry too much about your data in expiry and it being too much. And you can top up your text, you can top up your voice. And the nice part about it is that you can top it up to your speed. You check. So anyway, it says here the port is complete. So my old number is there, so this is complete. Now I'm just waiting for Melon Mobile to activate the network. There was a few hiccups, but I kind of expected it given the fact that it's late at night. The entire activation is taking place late at night. So the data wasn't working. The hotspot wasn't even working. They're working now perfectly, but before they weren't. So just give it some time. Just maybe wait an hour or 2 hours after activation so that your line can actually start running properly on the systems. And like I previously said, don't worry if you see a lot of MTN references, because you already know what's up. But here's a little trick though. If you want to activate your line a bit faster, then just dial 135 and sit on the line with them for a few seconds. Now that the line is activated, I'm going to do a speed test just to get an overall idea of the speeds that I can expect from here. These were the results outdoors in the yard. There's not bad. Now I want to do a mini browsing test because calling is working, text is working. So let's see browsing. I'm just going to go in the Melon mobile website and just see how it all responds.
We're looking for 61 million South Africans to put us to the test with a 14-day free trial. Plus, you'll get 5 gigabytes and unlimited calls to use as you please. Why? Well, we think Melon Mobile is pretty sweet. But don't take our word for it. Test our amazing network for yourself. With Melon, there are no contracts. You can build your very own month-to-month plan or go with an unlimited one and change it at any time. We're backed by MTN, so you'll always be connected.
One of the things that I liked about Melon is that they support eSIM, right? Now, not all devices support it. However, you can check here if your device is mentioned. If you have any of these devices that are mentioned in this list, you can apply for eSIM